1.2 Installing Primavera P6 Professional. 1. Find the installation file. Locate the P6 setup file on your computer. 2. Right-click on the setup.exe file. 3. Right-click the installer and choose Run as administrator. 4. Select Typical Installation, then continue through the steps. 5. Click Install. 6. After installation, the database configuration tool opens automatically. 7. Choose P6 Pro Standalone SQLite to create a local database on your device. 8. Choose to add a new standalone database and connection for the first installation of P6 on your machine. 9. Enter admin and confirm new password. 10. Select the location to save the database file and choose whether to load sample projects. 11. Finish the setup and launch P6 from the Start menu. 1.2.1 Launching Primavera Professional P6. 1. Open Primavera P6 from Start menu. Oracle Primavera P6 P6 Professional. 2. Log in with the admin password and start configuring your environment. 3. Use the welcome dialog to create a new project, open an existing one, or reopen the last project you worked on. This window gives you quick access to start building your schedule or continue from where you stopped. 4. If you had created a project before, click Open Existing to select the portfolio where your project is located. If you already created projects before, choose Open Existing, then select the portfolio where your project is stored. This lets you open the correct project quickly without searching manually. 5. If you have not created any projects yet, select Open Global Data to load enterprise-level information such as EPS, OBS, roles, resources, and calendars. This allows you to prepare your global data before creating new projects and activities. 6. If you do not want the welcome dialog to appear every time you open Primavera, enable Do Not Show this window again. To turn this option back on later, go to Edit User Preferences, open the Application tab, and check the option Show the Welcome dialog at startup.